G'day, how the fuck are you? Chopper Reed here at Chopper's fucking health retreat. Now, we all know that bloody weight gain's a serious issue because we've seen the bloody Biggest Loser, right? So I won't be making any jokes today. Oi! Eat a salad, you fat bastard! Here at Chopper's health retreat, you don't have to dress like a homosexual astronaut. Back in orbit, fuckhead. You can wear whatever the fuck I want. Tell you what, even I'd root me. Now, when you exercise, it's important to warm up. Otherwise, you might do your shoulder. Ooh, all right, after me. Fucking hello.
Fucking hello.
Hello, Keithy.
Hello, Keithy.
Harden the fuck up.
Harden the fuck up.
Now, the best way to get fit is a combination of cardio, fucking vascular, and weight training, yeah? Fucking go! Fucking, look at me, copper! Up yours! That's it. Remember, always keep yourself motivated. And if you can't, fucking find somebody who will. Fucking better hurry up, or I will fucking shoot you. Oh, just out of fucking reach. Oh, fucking missed him again. Hydration is an important part of fitness, yeah? In fact, by the time you're thirsty, you're probably already dehydrated, yeah? Chopper's bikes have comfy seats, so when you finish up, it doesn't feel like your bum's been to prison, yeah? And they make it so easy to use, it's like taking a bloody ride through the park, isn't it? Hello, little birdie. Tweet, fucking tweet. Hello, little boy on a bicycle. How the fuck are you? What's that, little boy? You think you can beat Chopper in a bloody bike race? We'll fucking see about that. Fucking bang! Oh, my face! Cop that, you little smart-ass dickhead.
You shot the kid. Can't shoot the kid.
Well, why the fuck not? Am I worried you were going to eat him or something? Why don't you have a salad, you fat bastard? In fact, why don't you have this salad? Yummy. Look at this, go on. Fucking have a bit of sumo salad. There you go. It's fucking delicious. There you go. Look at this. And here's Neville tomatoes. Oh, very rude, Chopper, very rude. Oh, there we go. Bloody tops. Oh, don't lose him. You'll want to have that again, won't you, mate? There you go. Neville bloody tomatoes. There you go. Pretend it's got kids in it or something. Go for it, mate. Anyway, I'm fucking Chopper, and this is my health retreat.